I don't usually yap when I install my hair because I prioritize a good install. I cannot afford to have bumps on my lace or in my lace or whatever it is. So yo, we're just gonna install this wig. Please do like, comment, share. Tell your friends to tell their friends that Wiggins Hair has the best wigs in the game. Let me show you guys what's inside. You get a wig cap, an HD wig cap if you're like a wig cap girl. You get some lashes. I haven't had a good pair of lashes in ages. I'm gonna enjoy these. Yeah. And then you also get a ribbon and you also get a wig band. Ta-da! These are the goodies that come with the wig, so get your coins and buy your Wiggins Hair, okay? Look at that lace, look at that lace. Invisible, I haven't even installed it. Are you joking? Are you serious? Perfection. Guys, I actually sliced myself here. Like, I can't believe it. But all in all, the install looks really great. The hair is amazing. Like, I can't fault it at all. I look absolutely stunning. Bare face, eating. Like, I'm just mad cute. I'm just mad pretty. Period. Stunning. Here we go here. So you guys can see how long the hair is. Can you see how long the hair is? Like, jeez. Like, perfection. Yeah, I'm gonna push up, guys. It's a discovery.